Hi, I'm Mark. The Philippines' yearly blood supply requirement is about 1.1 million units. During the pandemic, Philippine Red Cross was able to collect 40% of this requirement compared to the 50% pre-COVID time. One of the programs of PRC for blood donation is Pledge 25 to promote regular blood donation among young people aged 16 to 25 years old, since majority of blood collection comes from the youth group. With this challenge and opportunity, the Pledge 25 app is made to upscale the recruitment and education campaign for blood donation and other related advocacies. The app will also provide better data management, monitoring of blood donors, and scheduling. We have also initiated the Pledge 25 Olympics to encourage blood donors to donate through our local youth councils, where the greatest number of donors will receive a prize. With more than 600 users during the prototyping and pilot runs over the last few months, key feedback from end users, managers, and developers have been gathered through our focus group discussions and Pledge 25 Olympics. One of them was concerning about system bugs, report generation errors, low server capacity and speed, and as well as risks for data privacy and security. Second, we have had end-user problems. Too much information was required for the registration, application design weaknesses, and mobile phone compatibility. And lastly, user expansion. No blood service inquiry feature was included.
Our goal is to bring blood services closer to the people and increase donor engagement. To measure this goal, we have the following success indicators. 1. The number of users registered. 2. The number of successful blood donations. 3. The number of blood requests catered. And 4. The usage of data analytics from the app for planning and development.
It is important to work with volunteers and staff, especially our blood donors and clients, to ensure that the app provides easy access to blood services. Alongside working with these partners, our financial resources, human resources, and IT resources are important for the app to be sustained. For the next phase of the project, we will need about 50,000 CHF, 40% for server and development cost, 50% for development cost, and 10% for administrative cost.
Moving forward with the pilot testing, a second pilot test will be done in key areas until we integrate the app into existing process of the blood services, such as the blood donor registration process, scheduling and monitoring, and blood service inquiry and availment. Through the feedback we have received, the following steps will be taken. Number 1, we need to improve our systems, fixing data management and report generation, and as well as upgrading our cloud server and data security. Bring access closer and easier usage, simplifying the registration process, improving of user interface and user experience, and development of a mobile application. And lastly, to expand new types of users, inclusion of blood service inquiry and client-type users. We are working on this with the support of the senior management of the PRC as part of the digital transformation journey of the National Society. The Youth Blood Program has already been institutionalized in the PRC, and this is where the app provides an added value to the existing program. As we develop the Pledge 25 app, we will still start with its integration in the current system and process of blood donation for youth, eventually transforming this system into a digital one and expanding to cover not just youth donors, but all donors in the country. We see 3 challenges coming up. 1. Maintenance costs. 2. Depreciation of technology. And 3. Consistent donor engagement. Together with the senior management and the working group, these challenges can be addressed by integrating maintenance costs to blood fees and using ads to generate funds, periodical upgrading of the systems to keep up with technology, and developing retention activities to engage blood donors other than blood donation. We, as a federation, has already started our journey towards digitalization, and the Philippine Red Cross has also taken steps toward it. The language of the digital world is 0 and 1, but when we use it to our advantage for humanity, the possibilities are infinite.